Hi guys, today in this video we're going to see what are dictionaries in Python. So dictionaries are very similar like lists, but we define dictionaries with curly brackets like this, and the values in a dictionary are stored in such a way that there is a key, for example, one, and there's a value. So the key over here is 1 and the value is hello, a string. So first let's run this and see what happens. Oh, we did not print a, sorry. So print, yes, let's run this now. As you can see, we get this dictionary. Now, if I say, we can also have the key as a string, for example, I, or let's say fruit, and the value will be mango, like this. Print a, as you can see. Now we can also print a specific value. For example, let's say we want hello from this one list. We can put the key in this in square brackets, so like this, and let's run. As you can see, we get hello. Now if I put the key fruit, run it, I get mango. So now we can also find the number of values inside a dictionary. For example, there are two values that are hello and mango. We can say print, then a 2. So this function is used almost in strings, in lists, in tuples, in dictionaries. It is used everywhere. Now we can also store the value as a boolean in a dictionary. For example, 3 is the key and boolean is false. Capital F, false. Let's run this. Let's print a print. Let's print the key 3. So it should be false, like this. So these are some basic things we can do with dictionaries. These are very useful in real life. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.